I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday hosted by Jenn of Sassy Southern NC Girl. So I hope everybody is doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. So today on my Twinchies, I want to do some watercolor. So I'm going to start off, and I'm just going to mist my paper. And I'm going to go ahead and mist my paints, although I will be dipping it into some water. And I'm going to start off with yellow. And I'm just going to drop some colors off. And I'm going to go with a deeper yellow. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel. She is very talented, and I love her projects. All right, let's see here. Now let's go with some orange. And I will drop in other colors along. And this is just playing. And I am using watercolor paper to do this. And let's see here. Maybe some darker. And maybe some magentas. Okay. So now I am just going to kind of drop in some along the way. Maybe some greens. I don't want it to look muddy. And maybe some blues. Teals. And I think I want to just mist this a little bit to get everything to run together. And I'm going to let this run and drip where it wants to. And I'm going to let this dry, and I'll be back. All right, it is dry. And now I'm going to cut it up into, at least part of it, my paper up into Twinchies. going to save that maybe for ATC later on, because I'll have enough for Twinchies here. This is very thick watercolor paper. Yep, okay. And the last one. All right. So I usually do 4. So I'm going to do 4, and I may come back. I'm thinking fall. And I'm going to save these, the rest of them, for later on. And now, let's see here. I think I want to go. So I'm just going to draw me in some flowers here. And the last one. Okay. And I got this idea. I was inspired by Know It Art. I love watching her do her art journal, because they're really very simple and very easy to do, but beautiful. Okay, and let's see here. I'm gonna take this one, and this is just my gel pen. All right. And I'm just going to add a few dots. All right. So that's the first one. This one, I think I want to just I'm just doodling, not sure exactly where I'm going with this. So that one's my second one. Let me add more dots. Okay, I don't hate it. And this one we could just do, I'm going to use a bigger nib. That one. All right. This one, and I am liking the black dots. All right. And I think to finish this off, I'm going to add some gold splatters. Down a little bit of a page to catch some of my splatters anyway. First thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to hit the edges of these with the gold watercolor. I think that looks pretty against that. And it helps that rough edge too. I need to find my blades. I need a label machine so I can label where I put stuff so I can find it. Okay, let me give this another spray. And we'll just hit it with a few sprinkles. And there she wrote. So this is my Twinchie Tuesday for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a wonderful day. I love you. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.